Okay, hello everyone.
Hi.
Hey,
In
Hello.
this night, we will to share about what is your unique in your city. And now I want to introduce about me. Okay, I am Omar Hambani. I am from Serang, Banten. I am married and I have son. So by the way, I want to share my little story about what interesting in Serang City. Serang City is the capital Banten province, one of its main icon Great Mosque in Banten. Historical and uh, most people architect Japanese style and touch of European style. Okay, it is from my city, and now I want to know about the others city. Okay, please, Mr. Rally,
okay,
thank
thank you.
you.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi
Waalaikumsalam
everyone.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone. Nice to meet. Let me
Nice to meet
introduce
you.
my name. Put part of two wonderful children. My ethnic is Doctor and my second is current part-time job. My family and currently resident in South Lampung resident. However, I'm originally from Pesisir Selatan Regency, West Sumatra. I like to introduce a unique and famous icon from my hometown in West Sumatra, the root break. This is not just an original break. It's a living formed naturally by the root of two ions going across a river. It's remarkable of engineering that took decades to form into a stable that can cross. It remains a beautiful and inspiring symbol of my original home. That's a little bit about me, where I live now, and where I'm from. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rally. Thank you so much. And let's move to Mr. Rizky. Mr. Rizky, please, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for your time. I will introduce myself. My name is Rizky Brightman. I'm currently work as a full stack developer, but focus on backend at a healthcare company in location in Tangerang. Now I'm living in Tangerang, but I'm originally from Gorontalo. I would like to introduce one of most beautiful place for my hometown, Gorontalo. This place is Salonde Island. Salonde Island is one of the most popular tourism destination in Gorontalo. The island is location in Kuandang, uh, specific in North Gorontalo, and it is a famous because the island have a white sandy beach and clear blue water and calm nature scenery. How many tourism? How many tourists in visit in Saron Island. So this place is popular in Gorontalo and make you happy when you visit in Salon Island. Thank you for the time. I will hand it back to you, Mr. Amar. Thank you.
Seriously, or okay, next, Mr. Eko, please. Your introduction time is yours.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Slamet Eko Pujianto. I am a family man. I'm a worker and also currently an active student at Cybermu University. A little bit about my roots. I'm originally from Malang. However, due to my work commitments, my family and I are now based in Banjarbaru, South Kalimantan. Now, speaking of living in Banjarbaru means I'm very close to the provincial capital, which is Banjarmasin. When we talk about Banjarmasin, there is one iconic cultural experience that you simply cannot miss. Of course, talking about the flood or Terapung as we call it locally. The site is truly unique. You see dozens of small traditional wooden boats called jukung gathering in the middle of the river. The vendor fill their boats with all sorts of local produce. All the transactions happen from boat to boat. It's a truly authentic scene. It's an incredible window into the local culture and the traditional way of life here on the Barito River. Well, that's a snapshot of who I am and how is where I live now. Thank you very much for your time and attention, Mr. Amar.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Eko. And the last one is Mr. Nana. Please, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Hey everyone, my name is Nana Triana and I am a freelancer. I am also very passionate about photography and I with the of island. Lampung is full of hidden gem that many people outside don't know about it. Around Bandar Lampung, there are so many wonderful places to visit, from beach, waterfall to mountain. Each of them has its own unique beauty. For example, Mutun Beach and Sariringgung are popular weekend destinations. They are easy to reach from the city. Blue water. For gaming, family picnic. You can take a Sariringgung to visit Hasir Timbul Island, a beautiful sand island that only a pearl tide is low. It's amazing for photo. Then there Teluk Lawan. The most Kampung it's known for its wild dolphin. Visitor take a small boat. If you prefer mountain, you can visit Mount Betung or Mount Raden Intan, which are popular for trekking. The air is fresh, the forest is green, and the scenery from the top is breathtaking. Perfect escape for those who love adventure and nature. Lampung has beautiful waterfalls, and so on. Natural destination in Indonesia. Thank you.
And Mr. Nana. And okay, I think if next and question, who will the first to ask others? Hmm, I want first Echo. Mr. Echo, I want to ask about when the tourists or local want to go to the Jukung, how much does it cost to rent one?
It usually costs 300,000 rupiah to rent one jukung from the hotel area. You can cost with up to 10% yours. So it's about 30,000 rupiah. Think about it.
Okay, thank you so much for your explanation. Okay, the-
I,
uh,
I want to ask to Mr. Rizky.
Okay.
I'm Kalimantan. What kind of transportation I need the spot you mentioned it?
Okay. Uh, if you are coming from, sorry, Mr. Slamet, are you from Kalimantan? You can travel to Gorontalo, either by plane or by ship. From the city center to North Gorontalo, you can take public transportation or rent a car. Uh, After that, you arrive in North Gorontalo. You will need to rent a boat or ship to reach the island. This, Mr. Slamet, you can come to Sarodi Island. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for the explanation.
Thank you.
okay, who will the next? Okay, who? Mr. Nana or Mr. Rary?
Okay, wait, wait.
Okay. Ready?
Mhm.
Okay.
Wait, wait.
Yes, Mr. Nana, please.
Okay, wait. Where is my question? I question to Mr. Rary.
Okay.
Has the place become
Sorry, your network is, uh, sorry, your voice is broken.
okay? I will try question. Has the tourist in Padang this
Long tourist.
okay, can hear my question.
Yeah, Rary,
I
Okay,
that
I
Mr.
think
Nana.
that signal. Has the place become a tourist attraction, Mr. Rary?
Uh,
Uh, for,
yes, it has long been tourist attraction, especially for domestic visitor. Okay?
yes.
Yes.
About
Yes. Yes. Eh,
sorry, I can
apakah
hear.
sudah dikelola sebagai tempat wisata?
yes, I has. It has long been a tourist attraction, especially for domestic visitor. Okay.
Okay, now for
Children.
question. Um, the next, Mr. Rary.
Eh, question to Mr. Ama.
Oh, okay.
Okay. What makes the Great Mosque of Banten special or unique?
Okay. The Great Mosque in Banten is very special and unique uh, because it's mixed architecture from Japanese design and European design, and it's very historical because it's built in you know 16th uh, in Abad then at of all the most of all this in Indonesia. Uh, the Great of Mosque on Banten, but also yeah. Okay, I think it's explanation about the Great of Masjid Agung
Okay.
Banten. Okay, time is
Okay.
enough literally. Okay, I think this
Okay.
conversation in the night mm, uh, so about it. I think time is enough. This conversation, Mr. Rizky and Mr. Eko, Mr. Nan, Mr. Randy. That's so and good night. Or maybe do you have question again?
I think once more to question because nothing question to me.
Okay, sorry,
One
sorry.
question. Oh, okay.
I want
We will ask to Mr. Nana.
Yes.
yes, I will question for Mr. Nana. Okay, Mr. Nana, you explain about mountains. I'm interested in mountain. So, do you think your mountain uh this mention it's sustainable for beginner?
Okay, I try to answer Mr. Rizky question. In the Lampung, there are Mount Betung. Mount Betung is windy, considered at ideal destination for beginner hiker due to its perfect blend of accessibility and manageable challenge locates very close to Bandar Lampung. Its destination trail feature sorry locates very close to Bandar Lampung is well defined trail feature relatively gentle slope, allowing novice to build confidence without facing every technical terrain at almost 1,245
Four.
meters. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
The, the mountain altitude is not physically overwhelming, and the typical 2 until 3 hour trek to the main camp is in achievable goal.
Okay, Mr. Nana. I think I'm beginner, so can to climb to your mountain maybe. Thank you.
Okay, thank you
I will
very
back
much.
your Mr. Amar.
Okay, all my team, thank you so much for your conversation in this night. And time is enough, I think. So we will next time, and the last, see you and goodbye. So
Goodbye.
I will stop the sharing.
Bye.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay,
Selamat.
bye.